3, 2, 1.
What American actress voiced Princess Fiona in the 2001 animated comedy movie Shrek? The answer is D. Cameron Diaz. What is the diploid number for fruit flies? The answer is D. 8. What are ocean waves mainly caused by? The answer is B. Wind. In Pulp Fiction, whose wallet contains the watch with the face of a brain? The answer is D. Marcellus Wallace. What term do scientists use to denote the gradual warming of the planet due to absorption of infrared radiation by the atmosphere? The answer is D. Greenhouse effect. What does USB stand for? The answer is A. Universal Serial Bus. Which is a type of immune system cells that produce antibodies? The answer is A. B cells. Who wrote Meditations on First Philosophy? The answer is B. Spinoza. Which of the following hosted Let's Make a Deal? The answer is A. Monty Hall. Like other amphibians, frogs generally lay their eggs in moist environments, which are required since the eggs lack what feature? The answer is C. Shells. Which of these plants does not photosynthesize? The answer is C. Fern. What is the first question Troy Bolton asks in the movie High School Musical? The answer is A. Do I go left? What is Ohio's nickname? The answer is A. Buckeye State. Which kingdom contains bacteria and archaea? The answer is A. Animalia. Which vehicle was the first to reach the speed of 100 mph in 1904? The answer is D. Renault. Which day of the week is exactly 1 month after Tuesday? The answer is C. Friday. What do all respiratory diseases affect? The answer is C. Gas exchange process. Which is an existing country recognized by United Nations? The answer is B. East Timor. What is the only living thing to have visited space? The answer is D. Tardigrade. What could the senator not explain in the opening newscast on WKRP in Cincinnati? The answer is C, his nudity. Named after the leading sylph in Alexander Pope's poem Rape of the Lock, the moon Ariel is the natural satellite of which planet of the solar system? The answer is C, Uranus. In the episode of Seinfeld titled The Strike, Kramer went back to work. Where did he work? The answer is B, H.H. Bagels. The cognitive dissonance theory was proposed by whom? The answer is D, Leon Festinger. The Not Ready for Primetime Players debuted on Saturday Night Live in 1975. Which of these was not part of the original cast? The answer is C, Jim Belushi. What was the name of the starting center on the Carver High team in the series The White Shadow? The answer is D, Warren Coolidge. Energy from sunlight enters many ecosystems through what process? The answer is D, photosynthesis. According to the Christian tradition, there are 39 books in the Old Testament. How many books are there in the Old Testament according to the Jewish tradition? The answer is B, 24. Which One Piece character is able to sprout body parts on anything except for sea stone? The answer is D, Robin. What does a fire take away from a forest that squirrels need to survive? The answer is B, food and shelter. What is a stellar remnant that is very dense? The answer is B, white dwarf. What does an electron do when it jumps from one energy level to another in an atom? The answer is A, it emits energy. What cooks food using steam? The answer is C, steamer. Which behavioral theory emphasizes learning through reinforcement and punishment? The answer is A, operant conditioning. Nitrogen wastes are produced by the breakdown of what during normal metabolism? The answer is B, proteins. In which part of the human throat is the epiglottis located? The answer is A, larynx voice box. What actress won the Academy Awards for Best Actress for the 1960 movie Butterfield 8? The answer is A, Elizabeth Taylor. The word aloha is the official greeting of which Pacific Island country? The answer is C, Fiji. What vegetable is often used in a stir-fry? The answer is A, broccoli. What has a neck but does not have a head? The answer is A. Bottle. What disorder is characterized by intrusive, recurring thoughts and fears often related to a perceived or real threat? The answer is C. OCD. Which of these is not a fundamental force in physics? The answer is C. Weak nuclear force. As far as vice presidents are concerned, some were fortunate, some not. Which pair is different from the other three? The answer is B. Grover Cleveland Rutherford B. Hayes. Which item is used for correcting mistakes? The answer is A. Eraser. In what year did the Great Fire of London occur? The answer is C. 1666. Which desert has the highest sand dunes in the world? The answer is B. Gobi. Who first proposed the theory of continental drift? The answer is D. Alfred Wegener. 6 countries are located along the Black Sea border. Which one among them has the longest Black Sea coastline, not including the Sea of Azov coastline? The answer is D. Turkey. Which best explains why stars seen in the night sky are less bright than the sun? The answer is A. Other stars are farther from Earth than the sun. What term refers to a formal meeting between a head of state and another person? The answer is B. Audience. Which number follows 1001 in a counting sequence?